Hi everyone! First off, thank you for viewing my video here. I'm going to explain to you about the innovations machine. Right here is the tension. It keeps your yarn tight as you're cranking here, like that. Alright. I actually like this machine. It makes making hats a lot easier. I think you can make scarves with this, but I'm not sure. I haven't exactly tried that yet. We're gonna go through, see how it works. I'm not exactly gonna show you how to make the hats just yet. I would like to actually get through and look at this already. I mean, I've already used it several times, and I actually wore out a few pieces to it. So you'll hear like little clanks and clunks it doesn't usually make. I was pretty rough with it when I first started using it and trying to learn how to do things and all that. Alright, let's move on. And go right here. This little lever here is goes from making hats to making scarves, I think. We always want it down like that because that keeps the teeth going. So see this green one, this one marks your first peg, and when you crank, yeah, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. When you crank, it just keeps going. See, we passed it already, and we can go backwards with it as well. So if you need to back up and fix something, you can, but you know, watch your stitches, make sure you don't drop any. Now let's see if we put it upwards like that. This is where it gets tricky. See, if you go like that, it stopped. It won't let you go past that. But you can go back this way, and you keep going and going. And then it stops you right there. So we're going to go ahead and take that out now. And now I have free access there. Okay, so that's that part. Right here is the crank. Let's see, if you turn it this way, you go in your normal direction. But if you turn this way, you back up. Like, you can already hear like a big clonk. That's just from me being rough with it. So as long as you take care of yours better than I have, you should be alright without breaking it. The problem is what I don't like about it is everything is plastic. It would be a lot better if the teeth on the crank were actually metal, but unfortunately they're not. So it can be very easy to break if you don't take care of it properly. Let me get back to the first peg, and there we go. Alright, that's about it with this machine. It's not anything too difficult. At some point I would actually like to take it apart, but I'm scared if I take it apart I might break something even further and I'll be out of a machine. But it's great for first timers. I would definitely recommend this if you really like making hats but don't want to waste too much time on making hats. If I want really thick hats, I would actually just use a loom. See, here's some hats here. I prefer these to be inside out, so that way I don't have to make a brim on it. It just curls inside and you don't have to worry about a brim. You can, however, make a brim, but you're more prone to actually breaking your machine doing it the way I do it. I've seen people sew the brims on after they make the hat, which you can do, but if you don't do it correctly, it's going to look sloppy. Whereas doing it the way I do it, it doesn't look sloppy at all. It looks actually like it's part of the hat. I've already tried the sewing part, and it's just way too hard, and I probably didn't do it right. But we're just gonna keep this video nice and short. Thank you for watching. I hope I didn't waste too much of your time, because I know this isn't, I'm not exactly showing you anything, but yeah, it's a nice machine. And you do want this placed down on something, because you're gonna hold the top, and then you're gonna use your other hand to crank. Because if you do, like, when you actually have string on here, this thing just starts wobbling, and you just want to use two hands. It'd be just so much easier. Alright. Thank you. You guys have a good one.